Alchemist is a story of a shepherd who followed his heart and travels from his home in Spain to Egyptian desert in search of treasure. During his travel, he meets a gypsy woman, a king, and an alchemist who helped him along the way. Throughout his journey, he learns the lesson through his heart. It is a unique piece of fiction. You will learn how to fight with difficulties through this book. At the onset of Alchemist, we meet Santiago, who is a shepherd and chosen this job because he loves to travel. Santiago dreams of treasure hidden thousands of miles away at the base of Egyptian pyramids. He makes important decisions to pursue his vision and seek out treasure. Santiago meets a strange wise man who claims himself a king from far off land. He convinces Santiago to follow his dream and live out his personal legend, and introduces Santiago to the notion of oneness, the idea that all things are related. Next day, Santiago sells his ships and sets off for Egypt. Upon arriving in Africa, it becomes apparent that things will not be as easy as he thought. The first day, Santiago is in Tangiers. He is robbed, heartbroken. Santiago considers going home and giving up. Instead, he realizes that even though he cannot understand the language, he can communicate people well. He decides to continue his adventure. He decides to get a job at a crystal shop. After working at the crystal shop for years, eventually business succeeds, and he learns that merchant never pursued his personal legend, instead remained content with things as they are. Santiago's transformation and his ability to transform others has thus begun. Till now, Santiago earned enough money to buy a new flock of sheep and return home. At the last minute, Santiago decides to risk it all and joins a caravan to Egypt. Santiago meets an Englishman in caravan who was an avid reader and seeker of 200-year-old alchemist who lived near an oasis. Once caravan arrives at oasis, Santiago meets a woman named Fatima, whom he immediately falls in love. He discovers that love, like the personal legend, comes directly from the soul of world. Santiago envisions attack on Oasis after observing two hawks fighting as an omen. Because of Santiago's ability to observe the world around him, the oasis is saved. They offered him a position as a counselor. Santiago considers staying at the oasis with Fatima, but the alchemist finds Santiago and tells him that he will lead Santiago to his treasure. Once again on move, alchemist teaches him the principles of alchemy, which is more than turning into gold. Alchemist teaches Santiago to listen his heart. Heart can be treacherous, but the least way to keep from fooling you is to listen them intently. almost to the pyramids, Santiago and the alchemist are taken prisoner by war tribe. Alchemist tells that Santiago is a powerful magician who can turn himself into the wind. The tribesmen were impressed and told them if Santiago can do that, they will spare their lives. At the dramatic climax of Alchemist, Santiago speaks to the wind and sun, whom he realized that till now they are creation of one, soul of a world. Immediately the wind whips up and Santiago disappears and reappears on other side of camp. Alchemist takes his leave of Santiago. Santiago continues to the pyramid. He breaks down to the sight of their beauty. However, his quest was not at end. Santiago, once again attacked by robbers, asked what he was doing there. Santiago replies that he had a dream of treasure buried at the base of pyramids. One of the robbers laughs at them and says that he has had the exact same dream, except that his treasure was buried in Spain. Santiago realizes that treasure was back in Spain entire time, from where Santiago's journey began. He has gone full circle and remaining attuned to uniting spirit of universe which guides all things. He has achieved his personal legend. Santiago discovers his treasure and was joyful for life experiences his journey has brought him. There are several lessons in the book which I would like to share. But personally, my takeaway from it is personal legend is where you are, but you need to go out to know where it is. The real treasure is who we become in process, something greater than ourselves. Fear of failure is more dangerous than failure. You won't suffer if you follow your dream, follow your heart. The best way to learn anything is by acting. Santiago learned that love which deviates us from our goal is not true love. Instead, true love subserves and always willing to sacrifice and demands nothing in return. Your goals are valuable to you. It is not important that others think same. Do not listen them. Admire what life teaches you. If you fail in something, remember the reasons and it will lead you to success. So, what is your personal legend? How would you go about pursuing it? Do subscribe for more such videos. Bye for now.